Okay, here we are. We need to change the air filter of Sienna 2011 Toyota. Let's see here. That's air filter right here. Actually, those two clips, they need to pop out. Very easy. And then this whole thing just pulls off. Just slide a little bit down, and there you go. And this thing comes out. There we go. Perfect. And this one I just changed it, so you don't see that any dirty filter here. This is just brand new filter. All you gotta do is just pop this filter out and just put it here. Just do it upside down. This comes out like this, and then you can check. This is the filter here, brand new filter. Just put it back in. This goes, and this goes. Just as you take it out, you put it back in the same way, same order, and there you go. Slide in. These two pins both goes back in there. There it is. And there we go. We installed the brand new air filter for Sienna 2011. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share and like. Thank you.